Imagine making tens of thousands of dollars while playing your favorite video game. The huge sums of money earned by top esports players are starting to compete with the salaries earned by professional athletes in the real world. Gamers like Johan Sundstein of Norway and Vainikka of Finland draw large crowds to esports events and win large cash prizes as a result. These are the top players in the game, and only a select few will ever reach their level. Nonetheless, they demonstrate that it is now possible to make money from the burgeoning esports industry, even if you aren't famous around the world. Here's everything you need to know about esports as a source of income. Where does esports money come from? If you want to make money in the esports industry, you should first learn about the financial aspects of the industry. So, where does the money in esports come from? Deals on sponsorship. Video game companies and, increasingly, businesses that aren't traditionally associated with the sector are sponsoring top esports teams and solo players, such as food and drink firms. Tickets for the tournament. There's nothing quite like attending a live gaming event for many gamers. Ticket sales and the rental of exhibition stands are how tournament organizers make money. Merchandise. From t-shirts to duvet covers to mugs, some of the most well-known esports teams sell merchandise to their fans. Advertising is how advertising events and competitions make money. This also applies to the business of live streaming. Broadcasting privileges. Broadcasters are increasingly paying event organizers for the right to broadcast gaming tournaments on television. What are the best ways to make money from esports? If you enjoy playing, watching, or discussing video games, there are several ways to make money from it. However, it is critical to conduct research because competition in this industry is fierce, and finding your niche is critical. Professional gamers train, practice, and even eat like athletes. It's more than just a pastime for them. Nonetheless, if you have the skills, passion, and something unique to offer, the esports industry could be a good fit for you. The industry is expected to grow quickly, with revenue expected to reach $1.7 billion by 2021, up from $900 million only 2 years ago. We'll also look at how games can generate revenue and how to monetize your video game. Here are 4 different ways to start making money from esports. Number 1, become a professional in the esports industry. This is the most obvious, but also the most difficult way to turn your hobby into a career. To go pro, you'd have to form a team and compete in several lower-level leagues before moving up the leaderboards. You could also go at it alone and hope to be signed by an established team after competing in various competitions. You can expect to earn between $30,000 and $50,000 per year if you join a professional team, plus any sponsorship deals and cash prizes for winning competitions. It takes a lot of effort to make it to the top. To stand out in a video game, you must be completely dedicated to it and devote countless hours to learning the necessary skills and tactics. Pro gamers usually train for 8 to 10 hours a day and focus their efforts and resources on coaching, physical and mental fitness, and team strategy development. The leagues are also fiercely competitive, particularly for the most popular games such as Dota 2, League of Legends, and Counter-Strike Global Offensive, CSGO. Number 2, betting in esports. Consider yourself an expert in the world's top esports players' tactics and strategies? Do you know how to play CSGO or League of Legends like no one else? Do you have a knack for math and statistics? If that's the case, esports betting could be a viable option. Most online betting sites now allow you to wager on esports in the same way you would on any other sport. It's still a relatively niche form of betting, but if you're confident, it's another way to profit from a rapidly expanding industry. Number 3, managing the funds generated by your esports earnings. Whether you treat esports as a full-time job or simply a way to have fun while earning a little extra cash, you'll need a system in place to keep track of your earnings. Esports is a global industry, with competitions, customers, and sponsors located all over the world. You could be spending money in multiple places at the same time, for example. You could be paying entry fees for a German competition one week and a Canadian league the next week. As a result, it's critical that you can easily and affordably manage the money you send across borders. Xace is a digital account created specifically for esports players that allows you to create multiple accounts, receive and send payments, and has all the features and functionality of a traditional account. You can use our virtual debit cards to pay team members, start a business in a different location to where you live, and make in-game payments. Number 4, become a Twitch broadcaster. Streaming your game on Twitch is another popular way to make money playing esports. Twitch allows dedicated gamers to earn money while playing their favorite games and gaining subscribers, similar to YouTube channels. You might be able to turn your hobby into a full-time job once you've built up a following. Finding a unique angle or style is crucial to gaining subscribers. The most popular Twitch channels offer subscribers something different, such as game tips and advice, humor, insight, or some other unique selling point. If you can grow your subscriber base, you'll be able to receive tips from fans, as well as a cut of Twitch's advertising revenue, and even sponsorship deals if you're lucky. Industries benefit from esports. Playing video games for a living isn't the only way to profit from your hobby. As the esports industry expands, there are numerous opportunities for both regular salary jobs and working as a freelancer. This includes items such as working in the sports industry as a manager of live events, working for an esports league or a video game company that organizes competitions, production of content and journalism, refereeing commentary, become an esports agent for a player or a team, work for leagues, video game companies, or esports professionals in sales, marketing, and sponsorship,